Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. These are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Cancers, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, we will see what are these cards for your general energies. We have love, Ace of Earth, and sorry guys, it is Six of Fire. So, in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So, you are feeling extremely confident, totally inspired today. You have your, intuition helping you, and you're feeling extremely confident, and you have people coming to you for help and guidance. Maybe you are someone in an important job, so you have people coming to you, or in your personal life, maybe guys, you are someone friendly, wise and experienced. That is the reason people come to you for guidance and support. And you have that inspiration and knowledge overwhelming you today, and you are a very friendly person. That may be the reason again people see you as someone they can rely on, someone they can trust. So you are someone really loving and caring, guys. And today in your situation, guys, maybe there are some unexpected opportunities reaching you today. It may be in your work, something really good, something positive is happening today, and you are seeing it coming into reality. Maybe whatever you expected in your work situation, maybe, or it may be in your relationship, and it is making a great impact in your life today. So this success is making you even more confident, and you feel really happy, inspired, strengthened, and you feel courageous in your heart. And maybe that may be the reason you see in your relationship, maybe you see a beautiful love blooming in your connection, guys. Maybe with this person you are moving towards a very beautiful place in this relationship. You have mutual love, respect and caring, and you both share great dreams for your future together. So some positive changes are what I see, guys, Cancers. So things are going in a very positive way. So for some of you, I see a deep connection with this person, and it may be unconditional love you feel towards them, guys, Cancers. So this person really loves you, truly loves you for what you are, guys, and that is what I see with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is King of Air. So with this card in your relationship, guys, maybe you just want to be really truthful, or maybe this may be that person's energy. So we saw with the previous cards it is unconditional love. Maybe that is the reason we have this card here, guys. So that may be the truth here. So this person is truly in love with you and they see you as the right person for them. That may be the truth in their heart. And that is the reason for this card here. And you are making this relationship work based on that love you have, that true love you have on this person, guys. Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is 10 of water, just like what we saw in the previous cards, guys. Positivity, abundance and prosperity is what I see for y'all today, guys, Cancers. So opportunities are knocking you in your career situation and fortune is smiling on you, Cancers. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is, I'll leave it here, guys. Cherish innocence. So in your situation, guys, maybe your circumstances do not permit you to be playful and cheerful. Maybe there are huge burdens on your shoulders, a lot of things on your mind. But this angel card, the angel's guidance is that for you all today is to find that inner child, have curious eyes in your situation, be playful, have fun and allow yourself to see things differently without fear and have that wonder and curiosity in your vision, guys. And do not take things too seriously, just have fun, laugh around, be childlike with wonder and joy and allow yourself to experience simple things which will give you joy and happiness. Just playing around, making fun, maybe, guys, just being like a child, maybe simply going out, enjoying your day. That is going to change the way things are in your situation. It is going to make you light-hearted and you will feel a great relieved from your burdens and all that stress, anxiety you are experiencing today, and allow yourself to laugh, be happy. So happiness attracts more happiness, guys. You should not forget that. So when you are happy, no matter what your situation is, you are going to see that happiness unfolding in your situation also, guys. So you are going to enjoy more happiness today because of this cheerful attitude you have in your life, in your situation today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So this is the second card for y'all, guys, for those who chose this card. It is Puss in Boots and it means wit. So in our circumstances today, in our situation, you need to use your skills and talents, your wit and your what to say, that shrewdness today in your situation, cleverness. So it just means that there are blessings in your situation. Maybe you have received some kind of a blessing. You may not see it as a blessing, but it is. And when you put that to the best use, when you use your skills and talents to the optimum, you are going to see changes and great success in your situation. So you are going to use your witty side, that genius side, that tricking mind to achieve certain things. Do not wait for opportunities to come to you, but you need to go forward, move forward, and grab those opportunities, whatever you want to achieve, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a very clever friend with you. So if you have someone like that in your situation and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys. Maybe in this relationship, they are here giving you counsel or suggestions regarding certain things. You must listen to them, and you are going to see success if you are able to optimize each and every opportunity you have in your life today. Maybe in this relationship, by being really clever, you are going to achieve what you want in this relationship, maybe with this person, and you have what you need within yourself. So you need not look for something outside. So you just need to be really wise to use your talents and skills at the right time, at that right opportunity. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship requiring your skills and talents and your that witty side to come into action today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.